So peeps, another day, and what I got here is a cheeky little component to show you around, and it's a potentiometer, which is pretty much a variable resistor, which is giving us different values in resistance every time the shaft turns around. So we've got our three cables coming out of it, so our two outer ones is connected to the resistant ring, and your middle one's your feedback. Now this is a 5k ohm resistant value, and knowing this is going to be important when you come to test it. So that's your little shaft that's going to turn and give you different values. So your first one is you want to check the overall condition. So we want to check across the two outer cables. Now on a good one, this should give you 5,000 ohm or 5k, and as you can see we've only got 4.5, so that's why the reason this one got changed out. That's going to give you different values that you really want to. And now what you want to do is go across any of the two outer ones to the middle one, and that'll give you your value that the wiper's sitting at. Now, if that's 5k, if it's middle, you'll get 2.5 on one side and 2.5 on the other side. But if it's wherever it lands, that 2 should add up to 5k. And as you can see, what you want to do, if you did this slowly and you wiped it around, you should see no jumping neither. You should see a constant value coming around. So what I'm going to do is show you the inner workings now. Mainly because I'm a geek and I visually learn, that's how the best I learn. So just want to show you the inner workings and see how it works. So you got your resistant ring on the outside, and then you got your wiper in the middle giving you your feedback. So you got two ways it can mainly be wired up. You got 2-wire configuration, which is your current divider, and as it's only going through one path, as you turn the resistance up, you're getting your current difference, which is dimming the LED in this gimmick. And then we've got our 3-wire, which is the voltage difference. And because we've got our positive and negative connected, you've got voltage all the way around the ring, and that's giving you different voltages as it goes around. And that's giving our feedback to the VDFs. So as you see, you can got your wiper here, and then you got your resistant ring that's constantly connected to. And as you can see, with the meter in the background, as that turns around, that's giving us a different resistant value as it pops around, going through that wiper on the up to the middle feedback. Now that only goes around about 98%, but what we've got in our machines is it mainly goes back forwards. Now you want to see a constant change in resistance. You don't want to see any jumping, because that'll tell you got a bad ring. And as I said before, if you want to check it, you check the outer ones to make sure you've got your full value of the ohms resistance. Now if that's helped someone, you're all edged approved.